Trick or treat, trick or treat. Give me something sweet to eat. Are you ready for the Halloween challenge? Let's go! Look carefully at these two pictures. Can you spot the three differences? Take a closer look. Yes, there they are. The moon, the spider web, and the black cat. Great job! You found them all. Choose your Halloween costume. So cute! Can you find the different witch? Look carefully. Yes, there she is. She's wearing sunglasses. Spot the pictures that you see on Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes. Yes, there they are. A black cat, a witch hat, a ghost, a candy bucket, and a pumpkin. Good job! Let's move on to our memory quiz. Remember all the pictures carefully. Now, where is the matching witch? Yes, there it is. Great job. Now, where is the second ghost? It's right here. Well done. And finally, where is the matching black cat? There it is! Excellent work! Trick or treat, it's Halloween night. Pumpkins glow with shiny light. Ghosts and witches say boo boo boo. Happy Halloween to you! Can you find the three differences between these two pictures? Look closely. Yes, there they are. The bat, the hat, and the pumpkin. Great job. You found them all. What is the date of Halloween? Is it on October 13th, October 31st, or December 31st? Yes, it's on October 31st. Great job! Can you find the different chicken? Look carefully. Yes, there she is. She's hiding her wing. Great job! What animal is often seen flying in Halloween scenes? Is it the owl, the bat, or the turkey? Yes, it's the bat. Great job! Would you rather get 200 candies or find a golden pumpkin? That's a tough choice. Both sound so fun. Which one would you choose? Guess the shadow. Which Halloween costume is it? Look carefully. Yes, it's the skeleton. Great job! Great job, little geniuses. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye.